We're doing it on Omega, episode 438, part 1, SWORDSOUL versus, I don't even know what deck he's playing. And I forgot to flip this around. No one's first. Oh, summon Mo, reveal, blackout, token, synchro, chainlink 1, chainlink 2, draw a card, and add long, discard, special, a summon token, synchro, effect, burn for 12, set, and my turn. It's gonna end perm. I was thinking of negating it, but if I negate it, I can't use its once Omni negate. Monster Reborn, Moye, End Phase, Yugioh banish to target negate, blackout if it gets banished by summon token. Barone, pop, normal summon Mo, into Dragite, Mo draw, and game right here. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Oh, I'm forgetting to go like this. Just pause. And then, why can't I look at this guy's hand now? I can't look at his hand. Maybe he has his thing, not his one of these things on. What? I did 6. I did not really have a good hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with Pot of Prosperity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I added Moye. Normal summon Mo. Effect, reveal. Plus summon a token. Go into a Yugioh. Yugioh is gonna add long. I wasn't able to do the draw effect of Mo because of Pot of Prosperity. Long, discard, special, token into Barone. Long is gonna do 12, but it's cut in half by Pot of Prosperity. Yeah, usually you click his name and it would show each other's hands. It's gonna Cyber Emergency, Ash. Sets a monster, end his turn. Let's duel wins. Check field. I don't know. Nothing. Does he have a deck? He does have a deck, so we're gonna see what he's playing. 438. Where were we? 1286 through 1304. 1304. Okay. 438. 438. Oh, he was playing Cyber Dragons. Cyber Dragon Dragoon. Here we go. Yeah, he just he timed out actually. I don't know if he stalled or he had something to do, but game 2 he's timed out. 264, still at 264. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.